A name that is synonymous with ingenuity and stands out for excellence in all its endeavors. A name that is known for spearheading the technology and creating path-breaking electronic manufacturing solutions. EITPL is the name that stands tall with pride for providing such unmatched experiences of quality, trust and reliability to all its customers across the globe. With over 31 years of industrial manufacturing experience, EITPL still remains the largest, leading and fastest growing EMS company and a multi-divisional consortium. Headquartered in India with its prime PCBA and box build production units strategically located in north and south of India. From technology to telecom, aerospace to defense, automobiles to medical healthcare, from power to infrastructure, and from consumer durables to consumer electronics. The strengths and capabilities of EITPL are clearly demonstrated across all sectors and firmly rooted in its objective to create bespoke solutions challenging all diversities. EITPL has successfully carved a niche for itself, transcending all industries by providing the most seamless manufacturing, assembly and packaging solutions, the most innovative designs, and even delivering unmatched PCBA and box build services. Precisely why today EITPL is the most sought-after name and the most trusted choice in the OEM and ODM manufacturing services, with over 50+ Fortune 500 companies as its satisfied and regular global customers. The extensively advanced manufacturing units with fully automated processes and manufacturing assembly lines at EITPL, equipped with the cutting-edge global technologies and manufacturing equipment, are all meant to ensure greater competence and higher efficiency to meet the unique high-mix low-volume and low-mix high-volume production demands and manufacturing capacities, which can fulfill the precise and comprehensive requirements of all its unique customers. All the seamless integration and successful deployment of fully automated resource planning SAP, CRM and ERP systems and processes at each unit of EITPL is there to guarantee the best testing tools and structures that ensure not only the end-to-end product traceability to all its customers, but also offer simultaneous and comprehensive safety measures and significant quality compliance and the requisite industrial quality standards. When it comes to technology and performance, no one can afford to take chances. That's exactly why insight, ingenuity, speed and integrity are the key differentiators which drive all the endeavors of EITPL and facilitate better clarity and insight for each of its customers. The remarkable competence and outstanding accomplishments of EITPL don't just conclude here. Instead, EITPL takes great pride in being an exemplary contributor towards the development of phenomenal airport terminals of the nation. EPAC Polymers with its packaging solutions and EPAC Durables with its consumer electronic products, and with its backward integration plant having the capability of sheet metal fabrication, plastic molding, powder coating, copper tubing and heat exchanger are also the other successful verticals of EITPL, which coexist to provide equally significant and benchmark solutions across their segment. Since EITPL has always stood out for sustainability as its key objective, it still promises to adhere to its philosophy of creating significant value for everyone around, right from its dedicated workforce to its esteemed customers, to even the society and the environment it thrives in. The fruitful journey of EITPL just does not culminate here. With over 31 years of all its successful endeavors, EITPL still continues to expand its horizons and achieve phenomenal progress with even more unshakable zeal and a dynamic business matrix.